absence of noise. The void left by usual sounds, like of the motorcycles fresh out of the workshop at the end of my street. Boosters newly fixed to their silencers to amplify their roar, and of human voices rising up to my apartment on the 18th floor is filled by just the one sound, time ticking rhythmically at my bedside. If only, oh, if only I wasn't aware of the thing that's happening, I could have enjoyed the rare silence. Knowing makes me want to hibernate under my blanket until it passes, imploring the Almighty to save us like He saved the Israelites when He passed over their houses at the time of the 10th plague of the Egyptians. But asking God for salvation makes me feel like a hypocrite. That market in Wuhan, where it is said the pandemic started, was a wet market, where wild animals from all over the world were kept in cages, stacked one on top of the other to be slaughtered and sold as food. We knew such things were happening, yet now we're imploring God to have a heart and make this thing go away. Where, oh, where was my heart back then when I knew and did nothing, not even write, speak, or post about it? Now I will. Now I will.